Hello everybody, this is Mike and today I'm going to show you a carrot based smoothie. It's an apple carrot based smoothie. Apples are a very good source of vitamin C, vitamin B, dietary fiber, riboflavin, thiamine and pyridoxine. This is a very good smoothie. It also gonna help you lose weight. Doesn't have has like less than 100 calories, so you can drink it between the meals or you can replace a meal with it. It's a very good smoothie and a healthy one and a delicious one. So what do I have here, you're gonna need, and what do I have here is 2 apples chopped, 2 carrots, some flax seeds, flax ground seeds, and some cinnamon. So you have to put the apples in the blender. Okay, they got stuck there. Okay, the carrots, put the cinnamon, and the flax ground seeds. You put like 1 tablespoon. Let's say 2. Very good ones, high in fiber. Okay, so put them all of them in the blender. Okay, turn it on. Program, I choose liquefy and start. Oops. Okay, so for this one you have to add some milk or some almond milk. I use this one, almond rice milk. It's a very good one. As you see, if you don't have like something liquid there, it's not gonna blend, because you know the blender needs something liquid so you can blend everything inside there. So you can use almond milk. You can use also orange juice. It's gonna give it a very good taste. You can use any type of juice, but make sure it's something natural and not something processed a lot. So let's see now. Program. Okay, now works. Okay, now should be good. Okay guys, so this is it. Very good. You can feel the cinnamon and the apples. It's very tasty, very good. So try this, guys. Has less than 100 calories. It helps you to lose weight, to be healthy, and Thank you guys, subscribe for more, and thanks again for watching. So in the description you're gonna find everything you're gonna need to make this smoothie. So thank you guys, bye bye.